What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on this 2016 Nissan Altima from my cousin Dave. He did all the body work on his channel. We built him. I'll put the link in the description. Go check it out. So yeah, we got to paint the front bumper, the fender, trim out and paint the doors as well as the door jambs. And then we're going to be blending onto this rear quarter panel. So we got a lot of prep work ahead of us. Let's get started. So I got the door jamb sanded. It's pretty much ready for some color, but I am gonna go ahead and throw another coat of primer on these two spots. I'm not really liking how that's looking. Give it some more build up. We'll let it dry overnight and we'll be good to go in the morning.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try.
All right, guys, so we got the primer sanded this morning. I got the car taped up and we are pretty much ready to start painting. I'm gonna go ahead and lay some color down on the primer spots first, and then we're gonna throw the hinges back on and clear them together on the car. Let's get started. So I got the base coat down. We got a nice coverage on the bodywork and the door hinges. Now let's go ahead and mix up some clear coat and slick it in. So I got the door jambs slicked in. We're gonna go ahead and move the car out, put it in the other garage. It has been sprinkling on and off this evening. I wanna go ahead and get started on the doors, mainly just the rear door that we have to trim out. The front door is the same color code, so even better for us. I wanna go ahead and get the doors back on tomorrow and just continue on with the paint. Let's get this thing out of here. So I got the doors back on the car, got the rear door adjusted. The front door is a little bit more heavier. Dad's not home right now. And it's a little bit harder to get to the bolts on the pillar section, especially with the fender on. And since we did take the hinges off, everything's out of whack. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and jump on this front end, get the front bumper off, take the headlight off. And I'm thinking we're gonna go ahead and paint the fender off the car. For one, it's a lot less taping. And then I think the clear will land a whole lot better on all the edges. I did also go ahead and seal this primer area. It'll give us a more smooth transition with the base coat. Right now, let's jump on this front end, start taking it apart. So that's a wrap for today. Thought I'd get a lot more work done, but it's all good. I'll get the car painted in the next video. Stay tuned for that. Just trying to be a little more consistent with the uploads. So if you did enjoy the video, be sure to smash the like button. Also, drop any suggestions you have down in the comments. Have an awesome weekend. Happy Memorial Day. I'll catch you guys in the next one.